Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we've got a geometry question specifically related to triangles. And let's go through the question together. In the diagram, A is equal to 40 degrees. So they've said to us A is equal to 40 degrees, B is equal to 180 degrees. And they've asked us to calculate the size of angle ACD, which would then be that angle over there. Now they've almost guided you through what type of statement you need to use here. And then you'll obviously match with the corresponding reason. Now there would be two ways to calculate a question like this. The first thing you could do is you could say, right, because of this triangle, we know that all three angles inside the triangle equal 180 degrees. So therefore, this angle over here would simply equal 180 minus 40 minus 80. That would then give you that angle. Then you would know that this whole angle is equal to 180 degrees. So then this angle would simply be equal to the 180 degrees minus the angle that you've already calculated. But there is a simpler way of doing this, and that's what they're trying to test. The examiners are trying to test. So they've said to you, right, under your statement, they've said angle ACD, which is the one we're trying to solve, is equal to 40 plus another number. What would we say that other number is? And quite obviously, it's going to be this number over there. So let's write that in. So we've got 80 degrees. Brilliant. Now we can simplify that by simply saying 40 plus 80 is simply equal to 120 degrees. And that's fairly simple, fairly straightforward, and you get probably your 2 marks over there. But what's very important is for you to state why you know that is going to give you angle ACD. And we know that a very important theorem, okay, when it comes to triangles and geometry, is going to be the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the interior, or the sum of the interior opposite angles. Okay, so what does that mean? It means that this angle over here is simply equal to the sum or the addition of this angle and this angle. It's the opposite interior angles. So how would you write that in shorthand? You would say the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Now, some educators, some teachers don't mind if you just write that part, okay? Some teachers would like you to write the whole thing. So what I would suggest is to have a discussion with your teacher to see what she would like you to write. Either way, though, it's important for you to demonstrate that you understand which theorem you're using in order to complete the statements on the left-hand side. That's all from me, guys. I hope this one really helped you. And hopefully when you get this question in your next test, you get it absolutely 100% right, and you can bank some of those marks and add them towards a really good year mark. That's all from me, guys. Before I go, I'd like to make a very special mention and shout out to our sponsors who make these videos possible. Find out more about them in the description below. And until the next time, guys, be sure to check out our website to see if there are any more questions that can be answered through the videos we've got there. If we haven't answered your question yet, remember you can reach out to us directly and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.